Okay, so I just watched Nicki Minaj video, "You a Stupid Hoe," and when I was watching the video, I'm looking at Nicki Minaj. She's covered in these bright pink, and she's got the yellow, all this, and green this, and it's visual. And I realized the secret to filming porn when I was watching that Nicki Minaj video. "You a stupid hoe. You a stupid hoe," and she's got this makeup on and everything, and I realized the secret to porn is a visual media. So guys respond because guys are sexual and we're visually stimulated to be when in our sexual thing. And so we respond to visual media. And I was thinking the secret to porn is guys like to see a lot of color, bright colors, and we want to see it contrasted against light backgrounds. So you take Nicki Minaj and you put that pink bright lipstick, and then you throw in a black lamp or a couple of black lamps, and all of a sudden it's like really brilliant pink lipstick, and you match that with some matching fishnet stocking. Man, you put that on any girl in any club, and brothers will be like, "Hey, look what just walked in. Look, I got a holler, man. I got a holler. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God." You know what I'm saying? Because that's what we respond to. And I was watching this hunting video the other day. These guys up in Iowa, they go hunting for deer and stuff. And one of the things they try to do is they try to spoof the deer by putting these females out there in the field. Plastic version of a female buck. Or, I'm sorry, buck is a male. Female doe or bull, what would that be, a calf? Something, cow, and they stick that in the ground, and it's got, the back of it is really brilliant white and pink. The little coochie part is bright pink. And I'm like, oh my God, we're not that much different than animals. Look at that shit. If we're, even in the chimpanzee kingdom, you look at the females, when it comes their time, when they're in heat, or it's probably not polite to call it heat. What do you call it? In just utero? I don't know. But when they're in their time of season, their haunches and whatnot is all lit up like the 4th of July. And the point I'm trying to make is that when I look at that Nicki Minaj video, I'm thinking this director, he knows what he's doing, or he or she, whoever the director. I'm imagining it's Hype Williams. But anyway, it's like, "You a stupid hoe. You a stupid hoe." And it's a real brilliant, flashing, strobing lights. And at one point, Nicki Minaj's lips are all that you can see, and they're bright pink, and they're just, and you're like, oh, I see what he's going to wear. I know where he's going with that. Any guy that has watched porno is like, oh, I know exactly where that's going. And I was like, now I understand porn. Thank you, Nicki Minaj.